age home.
Gotta run, gotta go!
Late again, huh, Dad?
With an Atari home computer,
Have a nice day at the office.
you can easily work at home or open your home to a world of possibilities. In fact, the hardest part about owning an Atari home computer isn't how to use it, but who gets to use it.
Lock it closed, Dad. Mind if I do my work?
Hey, no problem.
Atari home computers, we brought the computer age home.
What do you think of Jensen's report?
Looks terrific.
I thought so, too.
It's nice to see our computer system is finally earning its keep.
I wish that were true.
What do you mean?
Marketing isn't using our system anymore.
And how do they do this?
They did it on their own system. The one they got a month ago.
They put this together in a month?
Well, not quite, Frank. They did it in a week.
New typewriter, Miss Tompkins.
New typewriter, but I've got an IBM typewriter.
You, Miss Tompkins, 8th floor?
But I love my IBM. I depend on it.
Ah, but this one's got pages of memory and it can be upgraded.
But nothing else has the IBM Touch. Give somebody else that typewriter.
But this is an IBM, a new electronic IBM typewriter.
It takes an IBM typewriter to replace an IBM typewriter, the most preferred typewriter there is.
Why didn't you say so in the first place?
Suddenly, she's outgrown pigtails. The world is bigger, and you know growing into it takes help. Encouragement, a big brother, a TI-30 student calculator from Texas Instruments, or a TI-35. Educators help create them with special keys for students' special needs. And in a bigger world, it's nice to have some special help. TI-30 and 35, Texas Instruments, official calculators and computers for the Winter Olympics.
In this uncertain and bewildering world of personal computers, the Tandy 2000 stands apart. In power, speed, and graphics, the Tandy 2000 is clearly superior. For service, support, and software, Tandy is clearly superior. Available exclusively at Radio Shack computer centers. Compare. You too will immediately recognize Tandy technology, service, and support are clearly superior.